Yeah.
And then I see you going with the LED lights in here.
Well, that's what they decided. I think it's a good move.
I went with all LED lights, and you can get different brightness. You know, you can get like different look on them too.
Yeah.
But the one thing I like about them,
What?
they last.
Oh yeah, they're supposed to last a long time.
And I like the fact that you can get the dimmable ones. You know.
Yeah, these are all dimmable.
Because and you have to get the dimmer switch itself to work with dimmer lights.
Yeah, that I think that.
I mean with LED.
Oh, I think it's. I'll have to look on that because my aunt got it.
Because mine, you know, but they've come down in price. Those LEDs.
Works dimmable LEDs, CFLs, halogens, and incandescents. So you gotta see that on your dimmable light switch because some dimmable light switches are not set up for that.
Exactly. Yeah, either one. Yeah, they'll go on or off. Not dimmable. But I like the fact that they come down in price. You know.
Yeah.
The LED lights. It's just like, you know, when the big screen TVs first come out, they were so darn expensive. Now you can go to Costco, pick one up for $400.
I know.
50-inch screen. I remember my wife bought one for me when I turned 50. That's 10 years ago. She paid like $2,500. I told her, don't buy that thing.
Well, yeah, don't.
But now,
No, it's way down.
now it's a dinosaur.
It's way down.